let's make a nice entry for this assignment where we have to list the 4 main topics. The first was linear growth. And what I want to do is I want them to be numbered. Now, instead of typing a number in front, we should use the word processor's ability to make a numbered list for us. And if you don't see the numbered list or list button here, the 3-dot button shows more. And then here I can see that I can do ordered or unordered lists. Unordered would be bullets, ordered would be numbers or letters, and I'm going to hit the down arrow and select numbers. Now, if I hit enter at the end of that line, I can enter the next topic. And every time I hit enter, I get a new numbered line. This is using logarithm. And again, enter gives a new line. Now, sometimes I don't want a new number, but I want a new line. So instead of a new paragraph, which is a number, I just want a new line break. That on the keyboard is Shift Enter or Shift Return. Gives me a blank line without a number, and then I can type some details to go along with that number. So again, at the end of a line that's numbered, or any line really, if you hit Shift Enter, you get a line break within the paragraph instead of a paragraph, and each number is a paragraph. So again, if I hit Enter here, I get a number. It's not what I wanted. Shift Enter gives me a new line without a number. And I can type some details. You can add those line breaks wherever you want. So Shift Enter there gives me a little space to work. Shift Enter there gives me a little space to work. Again, if I want to type some details here, Shift Enter. And then if I hit Enter, I get a new number. So again, the story here is numbered lists are great. They're useful. You shouldn't type the numbers yourself. You should use the numbered list option in your word processor. And Shift Enter gives you new lines without numbers. Very powerful editing technique.